Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Today we will do zodiac sign reading. I am a Leo born and this month is my birthday. So I wanted to do Leo readings first. So we will do Leo readings today. How will be your August month for Leo zodiac sign? Okay. So let's just not waste the time and we'll directly go to the reading. And one more thing, these are the general readings, it won't resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, so now let's see Leos. For my Leos, what is coming up for you in August month? Today I am shuffling on camera. Okay, let me know universe for Leos. Okay, Leos, what do I need to know about Leos? What do I need to know about Leos? What do I need to know about Leos? Okay. Some of you Leos are very much worried, don't sleep properly at night. Also, before going to sleep, you think so much. Few of you are fearful of something and scared. It means scared of something. Feeling insecure as well. Feeling unstable as well. Some of you guys are like, some of you Leos are like getting out of control emotionally. Your emotions are running high, but the moon card we have received, so basically in this deck the moon card is very much happy, full of hearts and stars. This card seems very joyful. This moon is also smiling, you know. So I feel like something positive is going to come for you. Positive surprise is going to come for you Leos. Like maybe you get some birthday surprise or gifts or small gestures from your friends or relatives or somebody who loves you. So Leos, you going to get some surprise news or surprise messages or surprise gift or any sort of surprise you are going to receive. The moon card basically in this deck, it is very positive. I take it as very positive card because the lot of stars and hearts are there. I think your heart's desire will be fulfilled. And this moon is smiling and showing the victory sign, if you can see. So I feel like, yeah, your heart's desire is going to be fulfilled. You'll get lot of answers, and new beginning is going to new beginning is going to happen for you. Those who were questioning that, you looking for some answers, so then you will get those answers. Whatever questions are running in your mind, you'll get answers of your questions in the month of August. You'll get surprises, gifts, positive news. Your tension and worry and anxiety will be over. Right now you people are worried, not sleeping properly or sleeping late, or your sleeping pattern is disturbed. You think so much at night before going to sleep. Otherwise also in general also you think so much. I feel like that. Maybe you are dealing with a Libra sign, or Libra can be in your birth chart as well. It means in moon, rising, Venus sign. You are a Leo, but there will be a strong Libra sign. I am feeling maybe you are dealing with a Libra person, or strong Libra sign is there in your birth chart. And till now, Leos are very generous people. Leos are very loyal people. Nobody can be so generous like Leo. I don't want to be biased because I'm a Leo, but still, they are the most generous sign from all other signs. And you, till now, you were the one who always used to give people, but now it is your time. After whenever your birthday comes up, after that, your time will start, and you'll get in return the whether you have invested some type of money, or you have invested emotions, or you have invested energy, you'll get back all the returns, whatever you have invested in people, whether it is energy, money, time, anything, you'll get it back. Now is the time for you to get the surprises, and get your good karmas back. And equal give and take will be there. People will love you, people will do gestures for you. Now it's your turn, I feel like that. You Leos are also waiting for something, waiting for investment, or waiting for someone's call or message or surprise, something like that, or some of you apology. So you will receive it. Definitely you're going to receive it in the month of August month. I am feeling that. Bottom of the deck we have received the Magician card. So you Magician card represent, you can manifest, you can receive, like you can create your own life like a magician, just spread your magic wand and create your destiny, your life. Some of you are manifesting also, and you, if you are not manifesting or not doing prayers or not asking something, then you should do manifestation, positive affirmations, and ask from God, because you going to get, definitely, because you are the magician, you people are magician, you can manifest whatever you want. Top of the deck we have received two of wands. So basically you are waiting for someone's message, or some of you, for some of you, we are waiting for the parcel from, or waiting for a parcel from out of country, or waiting for the message from out of country, something like that. Some of you are waiting for the message, some of you are waiting for the courier or parcel. You gonna receive it in August. Most of you, I am feeling, you are waiting for a person and person's message. I am feeling you will get it. Some of you Leos are also twin flame journey. I am feeling like that. So very beautiful surprises are going to come. Just don't be so fearful. Oh, I'm sorry. Just don't be so fearful, okay, and scared, okay? Don't be scared. Now we will see the charms. See, these are my charms. Isn't it cute? My collection of charms. I will shuffle it on camera, and let's see what falls down on which card. Let's see. Let's see, Leos. Let's see what comes up for you. Whatever falls down, I'll take it, okay? We will consider it. Those charms. Okay, so I think I'll take few charms. Already some of the charms are already there. Initial we have received L E and M. LEM. I guess I am feeling love regarding news you are going to get. I think you should do meditation. Your crown chakra is activated at this time. I am feeling that you should do meditation, and some of you are getting angry somewhat. So just control your anger and do meditation, and your crown chakra is activated. So do meditation. It will help you to overcome your anger issues as well. My God, money charm, success charm we have received. Money is going to come up for you guys. Another initial we have received T, J. So initials for you T, E, L, M and J. So this can be someone's name, middle name, surname, okay, place name, words also you can make. I feel like L for love, maybe because love is very important for you, for Leos. I know that because I am a Leo myself. U also has come up twice. I think I am getting the channel message that you should focus on yourself. You should focus on your self love. you charm we have received the twice. So I am feeling that God and universe is telling you that you should focus on your love, on your self love, and you'll get success, money, everything. Just control your anger, come out of the fear and scared energy and insecure energy, because your crown chakra is activated. So just do meditation, you'll come out of that anger and scared energy. See, meditation charm has also come up for you guys. Some of you are not taking rest. You should take a rest, have some healthy tea or have a cup of coffee, tea. So some of you should be doing rest. You guys are not taking rest. I think you guys are going to get some surprise. At first you found out like a shock, but it will be a surprise basically, because the star charm also we have received. So your wish, one wish is, currently your one, you are thinking a lot about your one wish, and you have received the shock also already in the past. But that shock is going to give you surprise in future, like in August month, in near future. That shock is going to give you surprise, and your wish will be fulfilled, just because a star charm has come up. And see, orange color stone has also come up. So this is basically a Leo, like a very vibrant and Leo Leo color, orange color, Leo type of color. You guys are very much going to feel passionate in this month. I am feeling that. A very positive reading I am feeling for you. Let's pull out some messages for you. I'm feeling like let's pull out some of the messages from universe. What universe wants to say to you guys. Some of you guys, for some of you, I feel like someone wants to hook you up. Someone's want to get hooked up, something like that. I feel like that someone wants to get hooked up with you. And orange stone has also come up. This is basically sun color, Leo color, orange color, feeling very passionate and those type of energy. You will be very vibrant in August month. I am feeling like that. So messages for you is that the more energy and intention I bring into my faith, the more fearless and free I am. See, the message has come up for you. Like I've told you, some of you guys are like fearful in some situation. You have somewhat fears, like when will I get married? What if I'll not get married? What if I'll that person not call, or something like that, something along those lines. Insecurities also, what if I'll die alone, something like that. But the message for you has come up from the universe, that the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. So have faith in God, have faith in the universe. The universe the universe works fast when I'm having fun. See, another message for you. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. So universe clearly telling you these messages are connected to the tarot and charms. Like, have faith in universe. Be fearful. Sorry, I'm fumbling today. Be fearless and have fun, and things will work out like very fast. Very fast for you. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. See, again the faith, like so many faith cards are coming up for you, Leos. Please have faith in God and universe. Some of you are feeling upset or anxiety or fearful, but just trust in the universe. Have faith. You going to receive what you are asking for. Your wish is going to fulfill. Just do a positive affirmation. Try to manifest, try to do meditation prayers. Try to affirm positive affirmation. You can create your life. You are the magician, okay? So just do manifesting. Another message for you is that thank you universe for helping me see beyond the limit of fear. See, again fear, message of fear. Some of you guys are fearful, that what if this happened, what if this not happened, what if that happens. Another message also we have received previously, like on some of you are like, your mentality has become, your mentality has like fearful mentality you have. So the message for you: thank you universe for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perception so that I can see what is of the highest good. See, so you should do a positive affirmation, you should thank universe, you should be grateful, and you'll attract everything you desire very fast. Just thank universe that thank you for helping me and see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perception so that I can see what is the highest, what is of the highest good. So whatever happen in your life, or whatever happening you in your love life or money life or career life, that was for your good, to make you grow. So just basically the message is, be thankful and grateful to universe. Show some gratitude to God and universe and people also around you, and just thank everyone, and you'll attract more abundance in your life. I am feeling that, and surprise is going to come. I think maybe some of your friends or lover can plan a surprise for you. You never know, but your wish is going to be fulfilled. At first it was a shock, but and you felt worried and anxiety and fearful, but after some of you are manifesting and praying also, and I am feeling that in August month you guys going to get whatever you wish for. After some time of that worry and anxiety, that shock will be turned into a surprise for you. So yeah, very great reading, all the best. So this is what I feel for you. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and forward to others. And I know some of you are watching my channel but not subscribing. Please don't do that. Please subscribe to my channel, and lots of love to you. All the best. Happy birthday.